Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about articles. This is video number 3, part 3. And as you know, this is an advanced English grammar course. And in this course, there are more than 27 common grammar topics. We are at topic number 2. There are many more topics, important topics. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Like and comment to encourage me. Positive comments only, please. Share to help other students and subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. As you know, we are talking about definite articles, the, and we use it with musical instruments. When we are talking about musical instruments, we use the. You will use these in your speaking and writing and in your listening also. These are very important. With musical instrument, we use the. John used to play the piano. Not only piano, John used to play piano. This is wrong. John used to play the piano. My father often plays the guitar in the evening. If we say my father often plays guitar, this is wrong. My father often plays the guitar, especially when you are talking about your speaking. And if there is an instrument mentioned in your writing also, you need to use the. When we talk about a service or a system, we use the when we refer to a service or a system. The government, the police. We are using them as a organization, as a body, as a service, as a system. The police are responsible to decrease crime rate in a city. The police are. Why we use are? The police are. I will teach you in the subject verb agreement class. Don't worry. And the next is, do you often travel by the train? We are talking about in general about a service, the train. Do you often travel by the train? When we talk about a group of people or group of things, we use the. The is used when talking about a group of people or a group of things. For example, the rich, the poor, the elderly, the homeless people in general, the unemployed people in general, the old, the young. So when we use these words as a group of people or things, we use the. Examples: the government helps the elderly. The government, this is a group, a service or a system. The government helps the elderly. Elderly is used as a older people in general. He is elderly. Now it is used as adjective. There should be a noun here. As adjective, no need to use the. The bicycle is an excellent mode of transport. The bicycle, we are using, this is a bicycle as a, it represents the whole family. The bicycle, this is a thing. With mountains, we use the with the countries whose names in countries, mountains, no, with countries. We use the with the countries whose names include states, united or republic, or their names are in plural form, like the United Kingdom, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, the United Arab Emirates, and these are in plural form. Then we also use the Netherlands, the Philippines. We also use the with ordinal numbers when you use of the first, the second, the third. Ordinal numbers such as first, second, third are always preceded by definite article. The first, the third. Let us look at example sentence. This would be the second free course that I will upload on my YouTube channel. The second, the first, the third. This is my second course of grammar. First one was vocabulary, and then I will go to writing course. Decades. With decades we use the. With decades we use the, of course. Dr. Che was born in the 80s. I was born in the 80s. We are talking about a decade 80s. We use the in the 80s. With mountains. With mountain range we use the. He We wanted to ski in the Himalayas. We wanted to ski in the Amazon. We are talking about a range of mountains, not a single mountain. When we use range of mountains, we use the. When we talk about a single mountain, we don't use article. Mount Everest this is a single mountain. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. With newspapers and hotels, we use the. With newspaper and names of hotels, we use the Hindustan Times, the Hilton, the Ritz. The Ritz is a hotel. The Hilton is hotel. The Hindustan Times is a newspaper. We use the with newspapers and hotels. But when the name of a hotel is after its owner's name, we don't use articles. John's restaurant, Dr. Che's restaurant. Okay, I don't have any restaurant. Water bodies. With water bodies, we use the. With oceans, with seas, with rivers, with canals, we use the. The river Nile, the river Nile is the oldest river in the world. The word, why the word? Because only one is the word. Word is only one, okay? The oldest, why the? Because, why? Superlative. Oh, very good. And the river Nile, why? Because this is water body. With rivers, we use the. We swam in the Atlantic. Why with Atlantic? Because this is ocean or sea, the Atlantic. But there is a one water body that we don't use the. This is lake. Only one water body, lake, is without any article. Just to remember, a tip from Dr. Che is remember the word lake. Lake mean with lake we lack. The article is lacking. Lack means there are no article. Lake Sivak is the deepest lake in the world. Lake Sivak. No, we are not saying the lake like the river Nile. We only say Lake Sivak is the deepest lake in the world. We use definite article the with well-known buildings or work of art. We use the with well-known buildings like White House, the Mona Lisa, Taj Mahal, or work of art, the Mona Lisa. This is a well-known work of art. The Taj Mahal. This is a well-known building in India, one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Mona Lisa is widely considered as the best portrait in the world. The Mona Lisa, not Mona Lisa. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Look at the 7 wonders of the world capital. We use the plus abstract nouns. With abstract noun, we use the. The plus abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are there imaginary nouns that don't exist in physical form. That describe a process, a quality, a change, or a situation. The improvement of, we cannot say improvement, see improvement physically. This is something abstract. The important of, the availability of, the standard of, the development of. Okay, these are very important when you are writing. So we moving to nationalities. With nationalities, we use the plus nationality, people of that country in general. the French, the English, the Spanish, the Chinese, the Japanese, the Swiss. With these nationalities we use the, with other nationalities we don't use the. Not with other nationalities, plural ends with s. Indians, Italians, Mexicans, Turks, Pakistanis, and what other, Saudi Arabians, like something that. With these, the French, English, Spanish, we use the Chinese, the Japanese, the Swiss. These take the, and other nationalities don't use definite article the. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Join them for more updates, and like and comment to encourage me, and share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon for more videos, courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Thank you very much. Thank you.